Are you worried about a person's behavior on Facebook? Do you want to report an account that could be a risk or threat to yourself or others? In this video, I will walk you through the steps of reporting someone's Facebook account. After watching this video, you'll know the different types of issues that can be reported, the appropriate steps to take when submitting a complaint, and what happens after the review is completed. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then find the person that you want to report. I'm simply going to search for another account that I own to show you this example. So once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots on the right side of the screen. And now you'll see that there is the option to report this profile. So go ahead and tap on Report Profile. After that, you have to select the reason for reporting. You can select one from this list of options. Pretending to be someone, fake account, fake name, posting inappropriate things, harassment or bullying, and the final one is something else. Simply select a reason why you are reporting this person, and if you can't find the reason you are looking for, just select the option called something else. So I'm going to select something else. And then it will show me that I selected that. And now all you have to do next is tap on the Done button, and that report will be sent to Facebook. After you send a report, Facebook will verify whether that account is actually doing the things that you are talking about. And if they do those things, Facebook will take action against them to protect you and the Facebook community. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.